everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make flashcards on Canva, step by step. If you're looking for an easy way to design and customize your flashcards, this guide will be perfect for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. Log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and free. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on the search bar at the top of the page and type flashcard free. Press enter and this will bring up a variety of flashcard templates. Now you're ready to start designing. Step 3. Browse through the wide range of flashcard templates available. Whether you need them for learning a new language, memorizing a speech, or writing down recipes, Canva has plenty of options to choose from. Click on the template you like to open it, and click on Customize this template to open up the editing panel for these templates where you can edit and change the templates according to your needs. Step 4. Visuals play a big role in making your flashcards stand out and helping you learn faster. Canva has millions of stock images, photos, illustrations, icons, stickers, and other elements you can use. Simply drag and drop what you like onto your page and rearrange the layout until it looks perfect. Step 5. Keep fine-tuning your design until you get the right balance of graphics and text. The goal is to make your flashcards not only functional, but visually appealing too. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and images until it feels just right. Step 6. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Share button at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Download, choose your desired file type, and then click Download again to save your flashcards to your device. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.